Last time in the kitchen, my teenager was telling me that one of his friends was asking for places where he can buy high-protein meals since he didn't know how to meal prep for the gym. And even though my son told him how, I think some people are visual learners, so I thought I showed him today. So we're prepping some chicken breasts. You're going to begin by removing any extra fat or cartilage from the chicken breast, and then to make your life a little easier, you're going to thinly slice the chicken breast without cutting your fingers. And just because you're meal prepping doesn't mean your chicken needs to be bland, okay? You're going to go in there with some garlic, orange juice, and lemon juice. It comes down to seasoning. There's way too many. So just try to use an all-purpose seasoning. This is the one that we use here at the house. By we, I mean Josiah. It's his favorite. It has everything, and it's low in salt. I also add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to mix everything together. Make sure you wash your hands, and then you're going to grill it. That's the reason why we thinly slice the chicken. That way it cooks fast, like about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now, if it's pink, you cook it a little longer. You may also want to have a batch of steamed rice. That way, whenever you come home from school or the gym, you can just put your meals together. Now, I know you don't like vegetables, but I highly recommend for you to add some to your meals. That way you have some fiber. You don't get constipated with all that protein, boy. This is a quick chicken bowl idea that you can make, but you can also make some chicken quesadillas, chicken tacos, sandwiches, you name it. But I hope you like this recipe. Bye!